We extend a warm welcome to all our viewers. Technology is an intrinsic part of the functioning of any industry or plant. The running of the machinery and the equipment that populate them requires a huge amount of energy. If this energy is used efficiently, great benefits are accrued.
Where it is cooled to 100 to 110 degrees centigrade with the help of a series of cooling fans. At the start, these fans are of low volume and high pressure and then give way to high volume and low pressure. Most of these fans are controlled by variable frequency drive for energy savings. These coolers come with new technology for high recuperation efficiency. This technology is used in the recuperation zone of the cooler for best possible heat exchange. These high-efficiency coolers require low specific cooling air, thereby reducing the power consumption also. It also comes with the latest design grade surface, which is now a part of all energy-efficient coolers and can be used to upgrade the existing grades. They not only enhance the entire flow of air, but are also self-cleaning. This makes them ideal for the rough atmosphere of the modern cement factory. So effective is this cooler that its recuperation efficiency is more than 72%. Now let us talk about the cost implications of the energy-efficient coolers. The cost of installation is dependent on the capacity of the plant. It can range anywhere between 70 to 100 crore rupees. It may seem like a significant investment, but the benefits derived from it are huge. When you compare with the traditional cooler, you will find that on all counts, you save significantly with an energy-efficient cooler. There are approximate saving of 14% in specific cooling, 31% in the clinker outlet temperature, 10% in recuperation efficiency, 30% in power requirement, and 11% in heat consumption. With recuperation efficiency of more than 72%, the savings are immense. You save electrical as well as thermal energy and so save on costs. Their maintenance is less and so you save money there too.
The heat consumption which was coming in 4-stage preheater of kiln number 1 was 805 to 810 kilocalories per kg of clinker, and after installation of this 6-stage preheater, this energy consumption has come down to around 710 to 720. By this way we have saved 90 kilocalories per kg of clinker. Clinker temperature which was going outside of cooler was in the range of 163 degrees centigrade, and after installation of these modified plates, outward clinker temperature has come down to 111 degrees centigrade. Thus, it's a huge saving, and that extra heat which was going outside through clinkers has been recouped for our power generation in AQC.
क्लीन से जो वेस्ट हीट गैसेस निकलती है उसको हम बॉयलर के थ्रू हीट कैप्चर करके उससे स्टीम जनरेट करते हैं। इसमें दो पार्ट हैं, एक AQC बॉयलर है, एश क्वेंचिंग बॉयलर, और दूसरा प्री हीटर बॉयलर है। तो दोनों बॉयलर का स्टीम जनरेशन HP स्टीम जनरेशन होता है और LP स्टीम जनरेशन होता है। दोनों बॉयलर का HP स्टीम जनरेशन कंबाइंड होकर कॉमन हीटर में आता है और LP स्टीम जनरेशन जो है वो कंबाइंड होकर के LP स्टीम है कॉमन हीटर में आता है, और यहाँ से फिर ये दोनों स्टीम हमारी टरबाइन में एंटर करती है और इससे हम पावर जनरेशन ले लेते हैं, और इसका लगभग 21 मेगावाट हमारा पावर जनरेशन कैपेसिटी है अभी।
Energy efficient coolers have huge potential in India. They can be installed in most cement plants contingent to existing configuration and operating process parameters. The next generation coolers and high efficiency preheater towers save energy, save money, and in the long run, save the planet.
We'll be back soon with more technologies and innovations that are energy efficient. Till then, goodbye and take care.